Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Maro, coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to take you on our 210 Dorado. So why don't we take a step aboard this boat and I'll take you through it. We're starting off with our Yamaha 150. This is the engine that we push this boat. So coming on, you'll see a collapsible seat. This is our entry on and off the boat. So when you're fishing and you want access to the engine, or if you're tubing and you need to get to that and you don't want to step on the seats, you have the ability to put this down. But when you're cruising and you're underway, you simply pop this up and this gets locked right in. So you can sit 4 people clean across. 4 rod holders in the back, and behind the rod holders, we have storage on both sides. Let the camera get caught up and you can see that. We also have a swim platform on both sides with an entry ladder on the port side of the boat. So coming forward, we have a huge storage hatch where we have our covers. You can keep your water skis, life jackets, whatever you choose. We have a captain's chair, passenger chair. Everything here is forward for your convenience, all your switches, your gauges, your infinity stereo system. Then we have a nice glove box in here for you can put your phone, wallet, keys, anything that you might want. Throttle simply right here. Underneath the throttle, you do have your battery switch. Nice about having your battery switch there, you won't forget to turn it on and off. It's always at your feet. Inside here, we have our battery compartment with also more room for more storage. And then you have another little glove box up here. And coming forward, you'll see even more storage. Scout really utilizes their space well with this boat for storage purposes. So as you're coming forward, you have nice seating on both port and starboard. And if you want to come up here, have lunch with your family or friends, best part about, my favorite part about this boat, this folds down into a table. And then beyond this table, you have a cutting board and then another cooler. Then you also have access to your anchor and your anchor locker, and on top of that is right here. And for safety, you have a nice high bow rail in the front. So I hope you enjoyed our little tour here of this 210 Dorado. Again, my name is Michael Maro. If you have any questions, you can call me or any other of our sales consultants at 609-926-0600. We'll see you on the water.